a longer life. 5 proven exercises, 20 minutes a day. That's all it takes. Science has already found the moves that add years to your life. Do these 5 consistently and build a body built to last. The squat. Most people lose leg strength as they age and think it's inevitable. But the real cause is simply disuse, not aging itself. The squat trains your legs, hips, and core in one powerful movement. Research links leg strength directly to lifespan and independence. Master this, and you'll stay mobile, strong, and self-sufficient for decades. Here's how to do it. Stand with feet shoulder-width apart. Push your hips back and bend your knees. Lower until your thighs are parallel to the floor. Drive through your heels to stand back up. Keep your chest lifted the entire time. Aim for 3 sets of 15 reps. This is how you build a longer, stronger life. The push-up. Most people avoid push-ups, thinking they're only for building big chests. But the real value is full body strength and heart health. The push-up trains your chest, shoulders, arms, and core together. Studies link push-up capacity to lower risk of heart disease. Nail this and you'll protect your heart while building real upper body strength. Here's how to do it. Place hands slightly wider than your shoulders. Keep your body in one straight line. Lower your chest until it nearly touches the floor. Push back up while keeping your core tight. Breathe out as you push away from the floor. Aim for 3 sets of 12 reps. This is how you protect your heart for the long run. The deadlift. Most people avoid lifting heavy things off the ground, but it's actually caused by fear, not fragility. The deadlift trains your posterior chain, the muscles along your back, glutes, and hamstrings. This builds the strength to lift safely for life. Master this, and you'll move heavy objects without ever risking injury. Here's how to do it. Stand with feet hip-width apart, weight on the floor. Hinge at your hips and grip the weight. Keep your back flat, chest up. Drive through your heels to stand tall. Squeeze your glutes hard at the top. Aim for 3 sets of 10 reps. This is how you build lifelong lifting strength. The plank. Most people think core training means endless crunches, but the real key is learning to stabilize your spine under tension. The plank trains your entire core to resist movement, not just create it. This protects your spine and improves balance as you age. Build this, and you'll move through life injury-free and steady on your feet. Here's how to do it. Place forearms on the floor, elbows under shoulders. Extend your legs, balancing on your toes. Keep your body in one straight line. Squeeze your core and glutes tight. Breathe steadily. Don't hold your breath. Aim for 3 sets of 40 seconds. This is how you build a stable, injury-proof core. The step-up. Most people lose balance and coordination as they age, but the real cause is a lack of single-leg strength training. The step-up forces one leg at a time to support your full body weight. This builds the balance and strength that prevents falls later in life. Master this, and you'll move confidently on stairs, trails, and uneven ground for years to come. Here's how to do it. Stand in front of a sturdy step or bench. Place one foot fully on the step. Push through that heel to lift your body up. Stand tall at the top. Don't lean forward. Lower back down with control, then switch legs. Aim for 3 sets of 10 reps per leg. This is how you build balance that lasts a lifetime. Do this 3 times a week. That's it. Now, if you want to build the mobility to keep every one of these moves pain-free, watch this video next. Start today, and I'll see you in the next video.